Welcome to Have Fun, Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. As you know, visiting somewhere for the first time can be confusing. This is where Silver Dollar City smartphone app comes in. But if you prefer a physical map, be sure to pick up a copy of Silver Dollar City's Pathfinder newspaper amongst various locations throughout the park. Now, even though I know the property like the back of my hand, I was shocked at how much I used it. I highly recommend everyone in your group have this app on your phone. Once installed, sign in and you'll have access to just about anything you would want to know about Silver Dollar City, the Showboat Bransonville, and Silver Dollar City's Whitewater. These include interactive maps, a list of shows and showtimes, rides and up-to-date information, dining options and online food orders, stores, craft demonstration times, location of restrooms and first aid stations, park hours, and you can even schedule the things that you want to see in order of location and time. This is a huge help. I'll include a link in the description to where you can find the iPhone and Android apps. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. Before you go, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. It lets me know you liked it and supports our channel big time. Now, if you don't want to use a smartphone app, the park offers free Pathfinder newspapers to help you get around the park. That's what I'll explain in the next video shown here. Thanks for watching, and tell a friend.